Hey guys, it's Wilford. Welcome back. And today, we're going to the bank. Here are factors that affect your credit score. 35% of your credit score is your payment history.
What?
It is the most influential factor in your FICO score.
Oh, really?
Your payment history is a record of how many payments that you've paid on time to your loan. Making payments on time build a positive credit history.
Woo!
On the other hand, late or missed payments hurt your credit.
Oh, no.
Loans sent to collections, foreclosure, or bankruptcy will all hurt your payment history.
No.
30% of your credit history is the amount of debt that you owe overall.
What?
Debt is money that you owe someone. This is the second most influential scoring category. It is also called utilization. It is all your outstanding balances, the total amount of loans listed on your credit report, and importantly, what percentage of your available revolving credit you're using. Revolving credit is credit that you use, pay back, and use again. 15% of your credit history is the length of credit history. This is how long you've been using credit. Keeping old accounts, not closing accounts, and only applying for new credit only when necessary builds your credit history.
Let's go!
Having new credit is 10% of your credit history. This means any credit checks, also called hard inquiries, and how many new loans that you have opened. Too many new loans in a short period of time looks risky to lenders.
Come on!
Do not apply for credit that you do not need.
Come on, man!
This will build your credit. 10% of your credit are the types of credit you have. You want to have both revolving credit and installment credit. Installment loans are loans with a fixed repayment and typically a fixed interest rate. Examples of installment credit are car loan, student loans, and home loans.
Oh, wow.
With revolving credit, you can borrow what you want, when you want, but up to your credit limit.
What?
You make minimum payments each month, and the remaining balance will charge interest.
Huh?
After you pay your balance down, then you're free to use it up to your credit limit again.
Okay, let's go, baby!
If you don't owe anything, then you don't have to make a payment.
Let's go!
Revolving credit comes with variable interest rates. That means the amount of interest you'll pay can go up.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me!
Interest rates for revolving credit are higher than fixed-rate installment loans.
Wait, what?
Paying off your balance before you are charged, interest allows you to benefit from revolving credit without paying to interest.
Thank you!
Examples of revolving credit are credit cards, home equity line of credits, and personal line of credit. Credit is important because if you plan to buy a car or buy a home, then you're going to need credit.
Yeah!
Like us and subscribe to our channel and tell us in the comments what animal you want to see next. Join us next time because we're going to the bank. Let's go, guys!
Ay, tú sabes, mami. Ja, vamos pa' allá, vamos pa' allá. No quiero más problemas, quiero más fiesta.